Keep going, keep going. If I haven't told you to stop, keep going.
Oh crap! Man, we don't know if we geared these little babies.
Second try again.
Bea, you are done.
Zach gets Haiti done.
Zach, you are done.
What can they see if you actually stand?
Hey, Zach, don't run into other people's cars.
It's fun.
I think I know when people stand there, I will. But when they come in,
You know, Teresa gets stuck up on the...
like a whole second.
Thank you, Dad. Come on, son.
Whoa!
Done.
Keep going.
That's not right there.
Eric, you're done.
No, I didn't start super late. Yeah, I started super late, I think.
Eric, we gotta turn you up a little bit.
I agree.
I turned it down to like 50%. Hey, at least you stayed on all four wheels, man. That's more important than anything else.
I'm the only one that can go around these corners.
Teresa, you are done.
This is what we should have done for touring cars for you.
Wide open all the way around.
Turn to zero.
Be careful.
I know.
Hey, Bea.
I would turn out next round. It's all good. Looks good. Looks good. Is that fun?
I think she came back May. I think you got first then. Your mother still laughed at the end, so I think you got first.
Stay right here.
Hey, Nick, you pick me up, put me over, please. I don't want to run over Don's feet with my big truck.
Reverse?
You got sensor?
How's forward going for you?
What the heck?
How's forward?
Try forward.
Oh. Yeah, it sounded like a sensor wire.
I didn't do anything different to it. I didn't touch anything.
Mike, go forward real slow.
I can't.
Try it, it's not moving.
I didn't touch anything.
Give it some forward. Give it some forward.
I did. I am. Yep.
Can we recalibrate it quick?
Man, move down though. That's not the spot. Right? You gotta be down by that jump.
Yeah, that's good, man. You get somebody little there, you get somebody big here, it's kind of hard to...
You need somebody little and fast there. And nothing against you.
Well, I was up
Catch
here.
one? Did you catch Maya?
Well, I knocked it down. Can we check in?
Okay, my stadium trucks can go across.
Brent,
Mike in the garage.
Brian Camper.
And my marshal should be out. Teresa, Bea, Mike, Zach, Nick, and Eric.
Bang, you can start it. Mike's not coming.
Unless, wait a minute.
Brent, wait here, please.
I'm gonna wait.
Don, calm tunes.
Go across the line so I can check your transponder.
I'm out, big.
Look, Mike's out.
Both of us, everybody.
If you do, please just turn around.
Go across the line. Thank you, Brett. Line, right? Okay, good. Okay, in less than 5.
First. Second.
That first bump only knocked Ryan down 2 seconds. It's 30.7 for Brent and 32.9 for Ryan.
First.
And Ryan catches up with a 31.3 and Brent had a 34.3.
Yeah, well, we paid our neighbor up the hill. He's a contractor, he does it for a living.
0.8
So we
seconds
paid him, you know, like, I've got messages
difference
on my
between
phone,
the two.
all that stuff, but we paid in cash, so we gave him
First. Second.
Whoa, Brent gets stuck on the top and gets passed over. That will definitely cost him a second. Whoa, gets a little wheeling. Ryan stays afloat. Oh, Brent hits him.
I guess there's a turn now.
Second.
Hits him hard.
Second.
And Ryan jumps into first place with a 10.519. Brent with a 9.503.
My sensor wire died.
Second. First.
Brent shortening that lead down to 1 second. Brian with a 10.527, 10.529 for Brent with a minute and 45 seconds left.
First. Second.
Brent has the fast lap of 30 flat. Brent has the lead by 1 second.
First.
Ryan pulls into first place by 0.2 seconds. Oh! Ryan gets smacked up a little bit on the pipe during the rim section.
Still doing it.
They had sent out like a water conservation notice to not use a whole lot of water. But then at the same time, in the evening,
First thing I would
every
do,
20
if
minutes
it's
or
going
so,
backwards,
the water tanker would come up and drive up the hill in the car.
First.
That was weird. Big truck coming by.
Second.
Oh, Ryan's lead of 0.1 second has dropped to 3 seconds and 20 seconds left on the clock till the end of the race.
They sent out this cryptic message. Like when they were doing the oil water advisory, they sent it straight out in the message, like it's oil water advisory. Today they sent a message that there's an important update about your oil water advisory on the website.
Second.
There's the tone. Keep rolling, keep rolling.
But they said like check the website or log into the online account or something like that. Please status something like that.
Okay.
And there's no more advisory, there's no more.
I'm definitely rusty.
Listed. But it's not like saying like the old one is done now.
I mean, a lot of it.
First Brent run.
Brent, you are done.
It's over, just tell us it's over.
With a 10.523 and a 10.527 for Ryan.
Back, you grab me? I didn't touch anything from the last race.
That's over, then we'll make sure the freeze is ready. Bill.
Okay, four-wheel drive buggies can go ahead and drop down.
Hey, Don.
That's David,
Don.
Don, Jason,
back to back in the
Bill,
next
Brent,
race.
and
Put it
Eric.
in bins, put it on
Okay, I
so
just-
no one can use that as water at the plant.
Brian and Mike,
Yeah.
you are my marshals, and if I get some volunteers.
We have to put a new water filter in too. I got that. We're good to go with the water.
It was very
See if
fun.
we drink again.
You can go across the line anytime.
Bill Hutt. David Hood. Jet O. Brent Dahir. Jason Longman.
In less than 5. And we're off and racing, folks.
Hey, you don't want to sit there. That's not a marshal spot. The bucket's not for you.
Yeah, hey, bud. Well,